looks nice, doesn't it?
Oh, I really like it.
Yeah. Oh, smart. Yeah. Caravan Village and Showground. Maple Walk Village. Hiya, you alright?
Checking in.
Yes. We're staying at Maple
Yeah, what are you
Walk.
now?
Yeah.
Back a little bit, straight in this car park.
Okay.
You see that light blue building?
Yes.
Yeah.
Owners Guest Services. You have to check in there now.
Okay
Oh,
then.
is it?
All right.
Drive the car right to the bottom,
Right.
and behind that day visitors, right at the bottom, there's a little gate. Just walk through the gate, and then you're there. Light blue building.
Swimming, is it?
Yeah.
How do you like the look of those slides?
Ooh. It's like that. It's like that top. Just checked in over there in the actual owner's part, wasn't it?
Yeah.
By the pig and whistle. Hello, we've got it now. Thanks.
Thank you.
112 we're in.
I'll just show you.
Yeah, thanks.
Take down this road,
Right.
Oh, okay.
and follow all the way round to your left.
Oh,
Okay, that's
thanks
great.
very much.
Yeah, and then you come to a little roundabout, and it's dead.
Oh, thanks very
Okay,
much.
thank you. It's quite nice.
Yeah.
I like it that we're on this bit quieter
Yeah.
main place.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It's lodges now.
Yeah, it's not just roundabout there, so
Yeah.
no one in the
No.
normally would have to check in there.
Yeah. What's that? 127. See it, boys?
Our first impressions, it looks very nice, very smart.
Quite big, isn't it?
I
A lot.
wasn't expecting so many of them.
No, really. Ah, coming up in the end. Yeah.
Lovely parking spot.
Oh, look at that. That's great.
All the windows are open.
I'm so excited.
There you go. Samuel's just opened
Looks
the
lovely.
door.
Made to
Thank
walk.
you,
112.
Samuel.
Thanks,
Thomas.
Samuel.
Thank
That's
you.
it. We've done it.
There we go.
Right, first look.
Yeah.
Oh, it has a telly.
Ooh. It's nice.
Well, first impressions is lovely.
Yeah. Oh, it looks nice, doesn't it?
Oh, I really like it.
Yeah. Oh, smart.
It's nicer than I
Yeah.
was expecting, really.
It's a nice big table, isn't it? Okay, we've just arrived at our lodge. 112 Maple Walk. Right. This looks lovely, doesn't
Oh,
it?
wow.
Oh, lovely seating area. Thomas already made himself at home. Oh, look, nice television as well.
We just checked the TV. It's not a smart TV, but we can make it into one using our fire stick.
Yeah.
How is the...
Mirror. Nice seated area. Nice dining.
It's really nice that is. That's large because it's aimed at 6.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. What's over here then, Sam?
They're just normal stuff.
Yeah, some nice cupboards. Nice load of cupboards.
There's broken scissors in there.
Nice cups. Oh, you're right for glasses.
Are there any wine glasses?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, Mike always checks that first. Make sure they got the wine glass. Bit of tea and coffee. That's good. We have brought our own, but that's handy. And they got dishwasher tablets there as well. It's good. Yeah, because I believe they've got a dishwasher. That'll be a novelty. So, oh, that's a nice sink. And the bin on there. Oh, nice big sink. Oh, and they've left us a tea towel. It's good. Isn't it? That's the cupboard. Nice toaster. What's that? Oh, a dishwash. Hey. Brilliant. That's good they've given us a couple as well. Excellent. We go over here. The microwave, a grill. Oh, this is a bit of an oven, isn't it, here? Lovely. Oh, iron. Ironing board. Oh, it's a big fridge. Ooh, nice big fridge. On a freezer. Great. What's over here? Oh, it's like a cupboard, I think. Let's have a look down here.
Yeah.
We got.
It's actually really nice. They've
Yeah.
3 bedrooms.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice.
That's where the boys sleep. Only
Yeah.
if the boys want, that they can have a room each.
Yeah.
You want your own room?
Really?
Yeah.
There's 3 bedrooms there.
Yeah. And there's what that's
Ah.
the largest out of the twin rooms, but there's also
Ah.
a smaller.
That's good. Nice. I thought it was a 2-bedroom, to be honest. Oh, it's a nice one.
Only yours is lovely as well.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, this is good. The fact
Yeah.
that they made the towels like swans
Oh,
and an elephant. Have you seen the towels, Tom?
that's lovely, isn't it?
I'm not really that interested in towels.
Have a look at these towels, though. They're very special towels.
Oh,
There's swan
look at
A
that
dog
one.
and
Is it a dog?
it's an elephant. I thought it was. It might be a dog or
I
a
think
teddy.
it's a dog because it looks
teddy
like that
dog.
and that's like the snake.
It looks
It's like
like
a specific kind
Very
of.
good.
it looks like a dog, doesn't it?
So we're-
Did
They're
they fold it
crazy.
like this, or is it just like that? It's going to be very awkward to dry yourself.
That is just for when you're right. There's a nice ensuite
Nice.
there as well. It's a nice size
What's that?
bed.
Oh, ooh,
One thing to point out,
yeah.
there are lots of sockets.
Oh,
From
brilliant.
where I am, I can see 6
Oh,
sockets,
brilliant.
and that's for someone with lots of cameras and
Yeah,
lots of phones.
yeah, that's
That's quite important to us.
really gross, isn't
It's a
it?
nice ensuite there.
Oh, that's lovely, isn't it?
That's very nice.
Lovely. What's the shower like?
Looks a nice
Yeah,
size shower.
it does. Yeah, it does.
There's some
Little
towels.
hook to hang your things up there. Brilliant. Nice wardrobes. Oh, looks really nice. That quite a big bed.
It's actually really, I don't know, it's really cool in here.
Oh, it's nice. Oh, it's just been.
After the hot journey.
Oh, it's a nice breeze. Oh, yeah, I like that. Goodness. Wow. Oh, that's great, isn't it? Yep. So exciting. I thought it was a 2-bedroom, so
I thought we ordered a 2-bedroom.
yeah. So this is great. Got more room, isn't it?
Well, the boys have never had a room each.
That's good. They got like there's the door there.
Oh, that's good. So
Yeah.
we can shut you off.
So we won't wake you up at night time.
Right,
Yeah. You know, for
Show that.
up late.
the main bathroom. It's
Yeah.
nice. So
That's good.
we've got a main bathroom and an ensuite.
Great. Lovely. That's nice. Oh, lovely. Nice head on it. Oh, that's great, isn't it? You can see the camper van just by there. It's great. It's right next door to the lodge. Oh, great. Oh, look at that.
So outlook.
Oh, it's lovely, isn't it? Oh, nice table and chairs.
I'm amazed they've not squeezed one more lodge in there.
Yeah,
Room.
I know. It's a bit like we're on the end, isn't it? Even though there's ones there, but we've got quite a big space in between us. Brilliant. Lovely. you just look by the side of the lodge, over there is the skyline pavilion.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, give it a like. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe so YouTube shows you our next adventure. You can find more stories, tips and behind-the-scenes bits over at 60rocks.co.uk. See you in the next video.